Hi guys, we are making chicken biryani today. It's a very popular dish all over the world and everyone has their own style of making it. But today we are making my mum's style of chicken biryani, which is a bit different to mine, but today we'll stick with her recipe. So how is your biryani?
सबसे पहले हम चिकन को मैरिनेट करके रख देंगे.
So that is one whole chicken and we've just chopped it into really big pieces. Always use the chicken with the bone because I don't like boneless chicken biryani. उसमें वो सॉस में मज़ा ही नहीं आता. It doesn't have the flavor.
जो ये इसके बोन्स का फ्लेवर चावल के अंदर चला जाता है, उससे ज़्यादा स्वाद आता है.
Yeah.
अभी पूरे चिकन में 150 ग्राम्स योगर्ट, 2 टीस्पून सॉल्ट, 1 टीस्पून जिंजर एंड 2 टीस्पून गार्लिक.
एक लाइम जूस.
हाँ, एक नींबू का रस. अब इसको मिला के हाफ एन आवर्स के लिए रख देंगे.
Right now we're gonna keep it marinated for a couple of hours. But it's best to keep it overnight.
ओवरनाइट.
Okay, so this is the golden onions that you need for the
Dark
flavor
brown.
and crispy, dark brown. So you've got 2 large, which you'll fry first, and I'll cut 2 more for you. God, that smells incredible, amazing. So the reason you're taking out in that sieve is to get rid of all the as much oil as possible.
एक्स्ट्रा जितना तेल होता है वो सब निकल जाता है.
So you're going to start with the chicken now, and you've got around 4
4
tablespoons
टेबलस्पून
of oil,
ऑयल, एक तेज पत्ता लेंगे,
bay leaf,
4 क्लोव्स, थोड़ा सा जीरा, 1 टीस्पून जीरा,
cumin seeds,
और दालचीनी.
cinnamon. After a minute, add 4 green gardens.
अब ये 2 प्याज काट के बारीक,
2 roughly chopped large onions after the spices have cooked for a minute. How long are you going to cook that for?
10 मिनट्स एंड हल्के से ब्राउन हो जाए.
Okay.
अब इसमें 2 टमाटर बारीक काट के डाल देंगे.
2 tomatoes roughly chopped. That you're going to cook for 5 minutes. Here are your spices.
2 ग्रीन चिलीज, 1 टीस्पून रेड चिली पाउडर एंड 2 टीस्पून गरम मसाला. अब इसमें चिकन डाल देंगे.
Okay. I think the chicken pieces need to be nice and chunky to get all that flavor.
आपको इसमें कलर चाहिए तो इसमें आप थोड़ी सी देगी मिर्च डाल सकते हैं.
So degi mirch is not the spicy chili. It just adds a lot of color.
और अब इसको थोड़ा सिम पे ढक के रख देंगे.
Oh, okay. So do you want it cooked fully? Okay. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to start with the rice, and I have got 500 grams of basmati rice which I've washed, and I'm putting it in boiling water, and I'll just cook it till 70% done. I won't cook it till it's fully done. All our layers are ready. Do you want to have a quick taste of the curry if it needs any more seasoning?
थोड़ा नमक.
Salt. It needs half a teaspoon more salt. So we've taken a really big pan and we've put it in a wok. And I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of oil in the bottom of the pan. What next?
अब इसमें एक लेयर प्याज की डाल देंगे
Handful of red fried onions.
और फिर इसके बाद एक लेयर चावल की डालेंगे. अब एक लेयर चिकन की डालेंगे. सेट कर देना.
Okay. At this stage, if you want, you can take out the whole spices like this bay leaf and the cinnamon stick.
थोड़ा सा ये बारीक कटा हुआ पुदीना.
That is mint leaves, finely chopped.
एंड सेकेंड लेयर राइस की, फिर एक राइस की लेयर डाल देंगे. अब लास्ट फिर चिकन की लेयर.
That's the second layer of chicken going in.
फिर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा नहीं, अब थोड़ा सा अनियन एंड उसके बाद राइस की लास्ट लेयर.
That's the final last layer of rice. You've also got a pinch of saffron which you soaked in warm milk for 15 minutes.
Drop.
After the saffron's gone in, I have got kevra water or rose water if you can find. Is it just one drop? It's very strong.
Strong.
So literally a drop here and a drop there. That's it. Bas. Cover it with a plate and then put something heavy. So I've got a and some boiling water for the pan. It's time to eat it, but I just want to say that we've cooked it in a massive pressure cooker, but use whatever pans you have at home, it's absolutely fine. You just need to make sure that it's not directly on the hob, it is sitting in something. Right, get all the layers. That is my portion. I can't wait to tuck into this. That is so amazing. You can have a little dollop of yogurt on the side. What else?
अलग से रायता
Salad.
प्याज का.
While I really need to eat all this, so I'm going to say bye bye and I'll see you next week.
Bye.